Thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a Xbox Series S HDMI port replacement. As you can see, I've already got the bed poured off. I got the port prep. Let's go ahead and get it on and get him back to gaming again. So it didn't work enough to double back and CY. I'm gonna have to cut it short. Normally I would have just fixed it and then showed you the working product, but I'm getting blown up too much. So thanks for tuning in. We'll have a part 2 of it working, obviously. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. We appreciate any and all support. Store is open. Memberships are available. Refurb units on the way.